Promise Healthcare is doing a lot for women's health, and here today to tell us all about it is Shelly. Hello, welcome. Thank you so much for sponsoring our segment today. And I wanted to ask you, what is different between Promise Healthcare and other healthcare organizations in the area?
So Promise Healthcare is a federally qualified healthcare center. We're a community-based healthcare facility that delivers comprehensive services to underserved populations, regardless of your ability to pay. For women, we offer services like pregnancy confirmations, family planning, breast and cervical cancer screenings, and treatment for chronic conditions such as high blood pressure and diabetes. And our goal here is to ensure that women have access to quality care.
And what are some of the specialized programs specifically that you offer?
So we offer preventative care, such as annual exams. We do blood work here. We do pap smears, mammograms. We have dental on site, which all ensure that there's early detection. We offer family planning, like birth control counseling and supplies. We do IUDs here, Nexplanon placement, as well as Depo. We also have chronic disease management, which help women manage conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, and behavioral health services, which allows for counseling for depression, anxiety, and other mental health concerns. We have STD testing and treatment, ensuring that sexual health is maintained and prioritized. We use a sliding fee scale based on income and family size, and which makes it affordable healthcare. Additionally, we help patients apply for Medicaid if they aren't insured, and other assistance programs. Nobody's turned away here.
That's really good. And I know that education is a really important part of health, particularly women's health. What do you do as far as education?
As far as education, we offer women are the primary care providers oftentimes for their families. They are directly impacted by this, and their children and their communities are directly impacted. So we invest in their health by promoting healthy families, breaking cycles of poor health and in underserved populations. We empower women to make informed decisions, choices about their health. We provide counseling and family planning, nutrition, disease prevention, and encouraging them to take better care of themselves.
And so what are some steps that a woman could potentially do to make sure that she is taking better care of herself?
Again, annual exams, blood work, preventative exams such as the mammograms, pap smears.
And I know that this is a facility that is for everyone. And what would you say to somebody who's maybe LGBTQIA+ and wants to get treatment? Is this a place that they're welcome?
Absolutely. We absolutely are committed to providing inclusive, affirming care for LGBTQ+ individuals. We provide routine care, annual exams, birth control options, cancer screenings, hormone therapy. For those undergoing gender-affirming treatment, we provide comprehensive support for that. Behavioral health services. We address mental health concerns like anxiety, depression, any sort of trauma with sensitivity to those experiences. Also STI prevention and treatment. We include PrEP for HIV prevention and other sexual health services.
And I know sometimes when it comes to mental health or women's health or things like that, people are concerned about the privacy and things like that. And I know there's sort of the HIPAA that protects in general, but can you speak a little bit to how, sensitive information is handled?
So yeah, everybody is protected by HIPAA, and our staff is very well trained in HIPAA, and we create a safe and welcoming environment. And ensure that every patient feels respected and heard.
And then if people have questions about a specific, say, birth control or a specific treatment for, say, a cancer diagnosis or something like that, is this a place that they can come, and sort of what do you do to sort of help them through if they've read something on the internet or done Google MD?
Yeah, absolutely. So we just encourage people to make an appointment, and we have multiple providers here to assist with that. We have promisehealth.org is our website. They can call our phone number 217-356-1558 and make an appointment to come and talk with a provider.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for all of this information and for sponsoring our segment today. And if you want more information about Promise Healthcare, you can visit us on the web at ciliving.tv, and we would be happy to connect you.